Right, guys, today I want to show you a cool little riff that helps you move from a 5 chord to a 6 chord. So if you're in the key of G, that will be going from your D chord up to your E minor chord. So we're in the key of G right over here. We've got a G. When you go to your 5 chord, 2, 3, 4, up to your E minor, 2, 3, 4, back down to your C maybe. Those changes going from your 5 chord to your relative minor is very common in worship music. And there's the song by Josh Baldwin called Evidence, and that riff's in that song. But I want to show you that riff. It's a really cool way of changing from your 5 chord up to your 6 chord. So from your D up to your relative minor of E minor. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, that's your G, and now we're going to go up to our 5, 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. So the riff goes 1E and a 2E and a 3E and A, B, G, E minor. So it's 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1. So it's 1E and a 2E and a 3E, a 4E and a 1, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4. Let's look at it in a real life playing situation. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you like that little riff. It's a fun one. I like to throw that in sometimes, if you're especially if you've got a whole note patterns and there's a nice groove going on the drums, you can throw that little riff in. It's a cool little one to throw in.